Hi, I'm Andy Graham, Certified Fastener Specialist with boltsandnuts.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install T-nuts. T-nuts are nuts that can be used with wood, plastic, and other composite materials. They feature an internally threaded barrel, a connected flange, and generally 3 to 4 prongs. They are shaped like a T, hence the name. T-nuts can eliminate the chance of material being split or damaged during installation. They also provide a greater shear and torque strength than, for example, a wood or lag screw. Here on my desk I have some T-nuts, and I'm going to show you 2 different ways to install them into wood. To start here, both methods are going to require us to pre-drill a hole. Here I have some 5/16 inch T-nuts, and if you look here you can see my threads. These are going to take a 5/16 inch bolt, but the outside of the barrel is just a little bit bigger than 5/16. So what we're going to need to do is drill a hole that's just a little bit bigger. On my screw gun here, I have a 3/8 inch drill bit. I just use the next size up. You're just going to have to tap it slightly bigger. This is completely acceptable. So to begin, I'm going to drill both of my holes just to get started. Now that my 2 holes are drilled here, for the first method, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the T-nut and I'm going to stick the barrel end directly in the hole I just drilled. I'm going to take the bolt on the back side here, stick it in the hole, and start screwing it in. And what's going to happen here, I'm going to take a wrench and I'm just going to begin to tighten. And as this is pulling in, you'll look, the T-nut is actually pulling into the wood. It is pulling the prongs, which is locking the T-nut in place and pulling it in flush with the piece of wood. And that's the first method to installing a T-nut. For the second method here, what we're going to do is we're going to do almost the same thing. We're going to take the barrel of the T-nut, we're going to stick it in this hole, I'm just going to press it in. Then I'm going to take a hammer and I'm just going to hammer it in. Once it's hammered in flush, you could just take your bolt, screw it directly into the T-nut. I hope you found this short tutorial to be helpful and informative. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to us directly or post them in the comments below. We at boltsandnuts.com stock all different types of T-nuts, including both steel and stainless steel. You can find our full catalog from the link below down in the description or by visiting boltsandnuts.com. Please like and subscribe for more fastener content. Thank you for watching.